Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive regularly, a dash cam is one of the smartest investments you can make. It can protect you from false insurance claims, record accidents, and even monitor your car while parked. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be confusing. So in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 2K dashcam front and rear. This 4K plus 2K dashcam front and rear is an excellent choice for drivers who want high-resolution recording and reliable safety features at an affordable price. It records 4K video in the front and 2K in the rear, ensuring that important details like license plates and road signs are captured clearly. The camera also features dual-band Wi-Fi with 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz, allowing you to quickly transfer videos to your smartphone using the companion app. A built-in GPS tracks your speed and driving route, which can be very useful for insurance claims or reviewing your trips. Thanks to its 170-degree wide-angle lens, the dashcam covers a large area of the road, minimizing blind spots. Night driving is also handled well with WDR technology and enhanced night vision, helping the camera capture clearer footage even in low light conditions. It also includes a G-sensor emergency lock, which automatically saves footage during sudden impacts or accidents. Plus, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're away. Pros: sharp 4K plus 2K dual recording, built-in GPS tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, wide 170-degree viewing angle, includes 64GB memory card. Number 2. IIWEY N6 360-degree dashcam 4-channel. Next up is the IIWEY N6, a powerful 360-degree 4-channel dashcam system designed for drivers who want complete coverage inside and outside the car. This dashcam records full HD video from 4 cameras, front, rear, and interior views, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, taxis, or families. It also features Wi-Fi 6 technology, enabling extremely fast video transfers of up to 20 megabytes per second. A 128GB memory card is included, giving you plenty of storage right out of the box. One of the standout features is its 8 infrared eye lights, which allow the interior camera to record clearly even in complete darkness. The GPS tracking system records your speed and driving route. There's also 24/7 parking mode, meaning the dashcam keeps monitoring your car while parked. The G-sensor automatically locks important footage during collisions to prevent overriding. Pros: 360-degree 4-channel coverage, Wi-Fi 6 for faster video transfer, infrared night vision for interior recording, includes 128GB memory card, excellent for Uber or rideshare drivers. Number 3. Pelsee S3 Touch 4K dashcam. At number 3, we have the Pelsee S3 Touch, a premium dashcam loaded with advanced safety and AI features. It records 4K front video and high-quality rear footage powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which delivers outstanding night performance. It also includes starlit full-color night vision, helping capture clear footage even in extremely dark environments. The 3.39-inch IPS touchscreen makes navigating settings and reviewing footage quick and easy. Another impressive feature is ADAS driver assistance, which provides alerts for lane departure and forward collision risks. The dashcam also supports voice control, allowing you to take photos or lock videos hands-free. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast file transfer, and the included 128GB card provides plenty of storage. Pros: Sony Starvis 2 sensor, full-color night vision, touchscreen display, voice control support, ADAS safety alerts. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K is one of the most popular dashcams on the market, known for its reliability and excellent video quality. It records Ultra HD 4K video, capturing extremely sharp footage that makes license plates easy to read. The dashcam includes built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS, allowing you to download recordings quickly and track driving data.
With a 150-degree wide-angle lens, the ROVE R2 captures a wide view of the road. The 2.4-inch IPS screen lets you easily review recordings or adjust settings directly on the device. It also features WDR and night vision, helping improve image quality in difficult lighting conditions. This dashcam is also known for its solid build quality and reliable performance. Pros: crystal clear 4K recording, built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS, reliable and durable, excellent video clarity. Number 5. N300 360-degree 4-channel dashcam. Finally, we have the N300 360-degree 4-channel dashcam, a great option for drivers who want complete monitoring around the vehicle. This system records 2K front video and 3 additional 1080p cameras covering the front, rear, and interior. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, and voice control, giving you convenient hands-free operation. The night vision capability ensures clear recordings even in darker environments. It also features a 24-hour parking monitor, which automatically starts recording if motion or vibration is detected. The included 64GB CD card means you can start recording immediately after installation. Pros: 4-channel 360-degree recording, voice control, built-in GPS, night vision support, 24-hour parking monitoring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews like this. We regularly bring you the latest gadgets, buying guides, and top product lists to help you choose the best tech for your needs. Also, check out the links in the description below if you want to learn more about any of the dashcams featured in today's video. Let us know in the comments which dashcam you liked the most, or if there's another one you think should be on this list. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.